Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to fix address tag not showing. So if you want to send a Toncoin to any of the exchange and your address tag is not showing from the exchange or from your Tonkeeper, the best way to handle this is to know this, have this in your head that some Tonkeeper, some of the exchange do not have address tag, and it is not compulsory, it is optional in some exchange like Bybit and Bitgate. These two exchange address tag is optional, while Binance app always have address tag on it. So if you want to make use of exchange that do not have address tag of Toncoin, it is better you use Bybit and Bitgate. But if you want to make use of address tag, I would advise you use Binance, so that you will not have a problem of getting your address tag. So guys, that is how to fix your address tag if you want to send a Toncoin or USDT to any other exchange. So if you want to get it, you go to your Binance and get your address tag. If you want to make use of this option without your address tag, I advise you use Bybit or Bitgate, and you just type in Tonkeeper on that space for address name. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.